Hello everybody, it's Cranky here, and today is package day. And you can see customs has had to be paid, so we all know where that's from. Oh, ignore that. It's from Australia and Barebones again. Woo! Woo! So, to be honest, I've actually forgotten what I ordered. Put that there. So let's have a look. And how much did I have to pay? £26, no, £25.60. So yeah, customs, but it's well worth it. Right, so how do I get into this? I know there's a tab at the top there, which I found out last time. So let's have a look. Genuinely can't remember everything I've ordered. So let's have a look. First item is, nope, that's my invoice. Ooh, little parcels. Wonder what's in them. That's it. So let's have a look at the first surprise parcel. Just like so, generally forget everything that I put in it. Oh, oops, sorry, not the camera. Find my knife. Oh well. Oh. No, that's not going to end well. Need some scissors. Scissors, where do I put the scissors? Oh, stab it with this and hopefully not stab my fingers. Don't try this at home, please use scissors. And kids be supervised. Not that kids would be watching this, but you never know. Saying that, my little nephew does. Let's have a look. What is in here? Ooh. Yes. A little practice lock, clear lock I've got. I've never really had a decent one. The one I had were like we all get off eBay and that broke in like one go. And one of my friends wants to learn lock picking, so I thought that'd be quite helpful to get one. And I've got ideas for some videos with that. So let's have a look what's in here. That's the one parcel. That's the two parcels. That's the three parcels. I do like them cases, you know, I've got a few now, they're quite handy. You know, a little clip and they're quite hard. So the first one is... Oh, yes. Little pins. Can you guess what it is yet? I really do love this new look they've got with the patterns. And I know which one I like. It should be, yep, the Euro cylinder practice or see-through practice. Yep, the cutaway. I've never had much luck with Euro cylinders, so I thought if I get one of these I can practice and it'll help. And it's so smooth. Really high quality is that, really smooth. I remember Bosnia and Bill saying once that sometimes you get them and they can be quite harsh, but yeah, really smooth. That's great, that's another idea as well for a video. All these ideas coming at me. So what's in here? I can't remember what else I've ordered, genuinely. Oh, yes, yes. Handles. More handles. These great designs. Yeah, I really do love this effect. Really do. So good. And yeah, some of the tension is what I ordered. Ooh, they threw in a beer. There's two of them I've got now. Not that I drink that much, but no comment. Yeah, and I got some metal for the because I'm looking to do with the picks and the strips I ordered as well for the tensioners to look at making some stuff like that. Brilliant. Another pen, because you can't have too many pens. Oh wow, yeah, got some more pins. Thank you guys. And a patch, amazing. Do love them. Thank you. And what's behind door number 3? Oh, feels quite solid. What else have I been ordering? Ah, yes. I thought I'd ordered more handles than that. Brilliant. I'm going to replace some of my picks I've got. These handles are just great. I do love them. I just love that effect. That's those ones. And then these should be, yep, my femurs. Because I've got one already, which they sent me. And it's so comfortable. But they've got it in this new effect, which I love. Such a fan of these colours. Really good. Just so, yep, same quality, sturdy. Just love them. Especially for people like me with petite, chubby hands. they're quite handy. That's great. Brilliant. Yep, so that is my little treat to myself from Barebones, and thank you guys, it's come over brilliant. No problems, quick as always, and great customer service. So yep, you should see all these soon in my videos. So yeah everyone, there we are, just a quick unboxing. So thank you everybody, take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye.